Hi, this is Hamid. In this short video, we will see Autodesk Inventor user interface and its project contents and library. Okay, there you go. This is Inventor window. On the top, this is a ribbon window. It's called a ribbon window. And at the left side, you have model browser tree. And that panel is to open a file, path, assembly or the drawing. Currently we go to get started tab. In the get started tab you have projects. Create a new project and a new pop-up window opens up. There you create a new project or with single project user or with vault server project. A single user project creates locally, whereas vault server project creates on a server based shared system. This helps you create or place all the files at one location. Additionally, when we go to the next tab, we have option to choose any electrical routing add-on informations to be included inside your project folder. Importantly, we have to change our style to read and write so that we can make changes to our custom defined style library. We can either include the library standards available inside our project or we can deselect it. If you want to create our own custom library, select a new custom library, give a name and select the required standards of the library which you wanted. At the same time, please make a note that do not change any of the folders or the file location of design data, template or content center. Instead, copy that into your project folder. Done. That's it. You are ready to start your part drawing now. So that would be my next session on how to create a path model from 2D sketch. So keep watching and subscribe our channel Acad Systems. Thank you.